Hello and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will learn how to install the PHP and install some PHP modules. So first of all, to install the PHP you will type yum install PHP and enter. From here you will press on Y and then enter. It will now start downloading the packages. Okay, as you can see here now, the PHP package is installed and complete. The next step will be restarting the Apache. So I'll type service httpd restart and enter. Okay, now let's create a PHP info file to test that it is installed successfully. So I will make this file in /var/www/html inside the directory example.com and the file name will be info.php and enter. Okay, now I'll paste this code and I'll save. Now I'll open the browser, and from here sorry about that, I'll type example.com and then /info.php and enter. And you can see here that it has opened with me, PHP version and some information about the PHP. Okay, now the next and the last step in this lesson is to install some PHP modules. So I'll type yum install, then I'll paste this. You can see these are the modules that are being installed. I'll press on Y and enter. It will now start downloading the packages, and don't worry, after it finishes I will show you the command and the exact packages so you can type it in a paper, write it in a paper, or type it if you want. It's now installing the packages. As you can see now, the installation is complete. And here is the command if you want to see it. These are the modules: PHP MySQL, PHP JD, PHP MBString, PHP ODBC, PHP Peer, PHP XML, and PHP XML RPC. And by this lesson we have learned how to install the PHP and some PHP modules. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.